सो हेलो एवरीवन, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। सो यहाँ पे ठंड बहुत बढ़ चुकी है, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 7 to 8 डिग्री और समटाइम 3 to 4 डिग्रीज रह रहा है। और फिर एंडिंग में
और भी लाइक ये वीक में तो शायद
Yes.
बर्फ देखने को मिल
मिल
जाए।
जाएगा। सो हियर वी हैव वन स्टूडेंट्स एंड he got his visa in the second time, so I thought to share his experience so that it will be helpful for others. So let's have one small introduction about you.
Okay, so my name is Sid Tejani and I am from Gujarat and I am here for my master in industrial design here in Polymi Bovisa campus.
Okay, that's great. So when you applied for the first time for the visa, okay, so who is your sponsors and how much you have showed the fund?
First time when I applied for my visa, so my mother is sponsoring me and I only mentioned my mother's income, not my father income and what he does. And then almost एक महीना हो गया था।
Okay.
मेरे फंड दिखाए थे मैंने।
कितना फंड शो किए थे?
फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने 10 लाख जितना फंड शो किया था।
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs एंड मैंने मेरी फीस पे कर दी थी, उसके ऊपर मैंने 10 लाख पे किया था।
Okay. So I think 10 lakhs is sufficient because I think according to new rules we have to show approximately 12,000
like
12,000
per
euros.
month is around 400 euros. So
Okay.
उसके हिसाब से मैंने कैलकुलेट किया था।
ओके। सो जब फर्स्ट टाइम आपका वीज़ा रिजेक्शन हुआ था तो किस वजह से हुआ था?
सेम नंबर 8 बट जब मैंने खुद से लाइक मेरी फाइल स्टडी की तो इटालियन
नंबर 8?
हाँ, नंबर 8 जो वीज़ा रिजेक्शन में जो 8 वाला नंबर था वही था। फिर मैंने जैसे ही मेरी फाइल स्टडी की तो पता चला कि मेरे फाइनेंस इतने पुराने नहीं थे, तो शायद उसकी एक भी रीज़न होता है क्योंकि मेरे को जब फर्स्ट टाइम वीज़ा कॉल आया था तो उसने स्पेसिफिकली मुझे पूछा था।
इंटरव्यू
हाँ, इंटरव्यू भी हुआ था मेरा, दोनों टाइम हुआ था।
अच्छा।
फर्स्ट टाइम उसने लाइक कॉल किया था, मैंने लेडी थी, उसने मेरे को पूछा।
डायरेक्टली कॉल आया था फिर कुछ नोटिस दिए थे मतलब?
नहीं, डायरेक्टली ऐसे ही रैंडम लाइक मैं पूरा ऐसे बैठा था रेगुलर में और ऐसे ही फ़ोन आ गया, तो मुझे पता था क्योंकि काफ़ी लोगों को ऐसे कॉल आ रहे थे। तो जैसे ही मैंने देखा कि ये महाराष्ट्र का नंबर है तो मैंने समझ गया था कि भाई ये एम्बेसी से कॉल होगा।
So what they ask in the interview?
So they first asked me my like small introduction, why I want to go to Italy and which course I will be doing there and from where, like how I managing my finance. So in the first time like I only showed my Swift copy which like my fees paid in from India. So first one I put like I already put one my fee receipt, but like they don't accept that, like they want Indian proof.
Okay.
But in first time they never asked me about that, so I don't know that. Second time जब मेरा वीज़ा मैंने अप्लाई किया था।
ओके, जब आपका मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम वीज़ा रिजेक्शन हुआ था तो मतलब आपका फीलिंग कैसा था? और फिर फैमिली प्रेशर
लाइक हाँ, वो एक होता है ना कि पूरा आप ऐसे रिजेक्ट हुए तो आपकी होप सारी चली जाती है, आपके सपने टूट जाते हैं, ऐसा लगता है। तो पहले एक वीक तक तो मेरा पूरा ऐसा हालत रहा कि हाँ भाई अभी क्या करेंगे लाइफ में, किसी और कंट्री में चले जाए क्या, क्योंकि यहाँ मेरा एडमिशन हुआ था तो लाइक ऐसी वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी थी मेरे लिए कि इतनी बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी में मैं कभी वापस एडमिशन ना भी ले पाऊँ। तो फिर मैंने लाइक कैसे भी करके मैंने वापस से हिम्मत जुटाई और एक हफ्ते में मेरी फाइल अगेन मैंने वो प्रॉपर
What you did for the like when we are applying for the second time? So what the steps
में
yes.
मैंने पहले तो स्टडी किया कि what they actually ask for. उनका एवरी सेंटेंस मैंने ऐसे लाइक वो जो बॉम्बे एम्बेसी में वो PDF देते हैं ना कि क्या क्या आपको लेके आना है, उसका मैंने पूरा स्टडी किया। ओके, सो लाइक आई डिड study of the whole Italian visa procedure and what they ask for. Then I change my cover letter to like from top to bottom. I arrange in a way that you like if I am the visa officer, how I evaluate, and then I research something. I add 5 more lakhs in my finance. So they like
15 lakhs.
15 lakhs. So my total finance in the second time is 15 lakh. I show the accommodation. I bought a actual ticket for my flight.
Okay.
And
for accommodation you bought the actual one or?
Yeah, actual one. Like it's from booking.com. So it's totally depend on you. If I want to cancel, but I am staying there now.
Okay.
Then I showed them proof of my proof of job. Like my mother is doing job in a school and the experience letter of my mother.
Okay. Okay.
Second time the major change is that, and when he called me in on the second time,
Mhm.
even he asked for my Indian proof of payment, like my bank copy, the bank swift copy which is given by Indian bank.
Okay.
So
the
again,
fees which you paid,
yeah,
they ask the proof.
they so I attached second so they asked me to mail same thing, so I mailed them, and again like they asked for, like I got the call in 2 times. So first they asked for the and this swift key, like, and then there is a one document which is I put like my mother's and like pension program.
Okay. Okay.
So the
The
document
source of income,
yeah,
like,
source of income
is the
major,
major.
like, yeah, major. So at the like in summarize, if I want to summarize my experience, so like if your source of income is clear, then
Okay.
I don't think there is a issue to get a visa.
Okay. Okay. So the major changes you did in the second time is the source of income.
Yeah, source of
You have to
income
be very
and
clear
yeah, and I
with proof.
mentioned clearly that I will back India.
Oh yeah.
Like and the first time I never like I didn't mention the exact thing what will I do after my
the-
course,
Hmm.
and the second time I clearly mentioned like with a proper paragraph, I will back to India and I do my job.
Okay. Okay.
So like I don't know which one is the reason, but
Yes,
I
but you did this modification
I
and,
did this modification, and on the 31st day of my applying, I got the visa.
second time.
Yeah, in a
So it
second.
took 31 days.
31 days.
Okay. So how you feel after getting visa for the second time?
Like I it's a very happy moment for
Yes.
me, because when the day I got the visa, it's a Diwali in India.
Oh,
So
Diwali
on the
getting
Diwali night I got
gift.
the visa, like oh my god, it's another level experience, and I am very happy at that time. And then I like, oh, let's go now, I have to prepare for
Yes.
to like fly, and it's my first time international experience, so
Okay, so,
उसका मजा ही अलग है.
So here one small request. For example, what you suggest for those students who ever going to applying for the visa, or those students who got the rejection for the first time? So any suggestions for those students?
So suggestion is like, first make your cover letter very in a specific way, like do like mention that only things which they ask for, doesn't like don't add any kind of extra other thing. And the second thing is clear your finance, like mention the finance properly and source of income properly. Like if your father is doing job, so present the job certi and experience certi maybe, and bank statement which is literally like proper in a proper way, like it is not like that in a one day you put 7 or 10 lakhs in on that account.
It's not. It should be like proper step-wise.
professional stepwise you want
Yes,
to
yes.
add.
So
You have
it
to.
should be look real, not like okay.
हाँ कि
You
ऐसे
could
किसी के
लेके
लेके
डाल
डाल
दिया।
दिए.
पहले वैसे चलता था, लेकिन अभी पूरा थोड़ा सा
मेरे साथ फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा ही हुआ था कि मेरा जो सारा एंट्री है ना वो एक वीक में ही हुआ था. लाइक
Okay.
पहले लाइक मेरे मदर के पास एफडीज थी, तो उन्होंने एफडी को अकाउंट में डाला था. तो जैसे ही आप एंट्रीज लाइक व्हेन यू शो व्हेन यू आस्क फॉर द स्टेटमेंट, सो दे जस्ट शो द नंबर. So they didn't mention that this is for what, like it is from where. So that is like the second time I also mentioned that these are the entries, like I highlight that in entries with my marker. These are the my mother's salary, and these are the income from my mother's FD, and I took a letter from my bank manager. And in the letter they mentioned that these are the FDs which is owned by my mother, and now it is in my account.
Okay.
So second time this is also a change, so maybe
That's so. And what about ITR?
I put a 3 year of ITR, like
3
past
years
3 year.
Okay. So after getting your admissions and all, so when did you decided to start the visa application?
I started like I prepare my file from the when I get my admission, so I am preparing my file
When
from
did
that
you got
day.
your admission approximately?
On March ending.
March ending.
March
okay.
ending.
So-
But like the contract and this thing was done in after March. So
Okay.
in May I started properly in May.
For the visa.
I started my making like collecting all the documents and
Mhm.
ITRs and bank statement and
Mhm.
adding some funds to like because if there is a fund is 1 month also it is
Mhm.
good for us. And I applied for the first time on the 20th August.
August. Okay.
Like I
20th.
calculated that if I come here a month back, like my course is starting from November, so I
Okay.
plan to come 1 month earlier,
Mhm.
but unfortunately
Yes, we can't
so
do.
उसके लिए कुछ कर नहीं सकते.
Mhm.
तो मैंने पूरा ऐसे टाइमिंग का कैलकुलेशन किया
Okay,
था.
okay. So you started in the August.
August,
Okay.
and
So-
I applied for 20th August, and after a month I got rejection, almost
Mhm.
1 month,
Mhm.
and then there is a
Reapply.
gap of 1 week,
Mhm.
and then again I applied on, and then after 31 days on November 3rd I got my visa.
Okay, okay. So it took more than 2 months.
2 months, yes.
And lots of struggle.
Lots of struggle plus stress.
Yeah. So here what I am trying to say is that for example those students who were getting their admissions almost at the end of March, April, May, everyone will get their admission from all the universities. So as soon as you are getting the admission, try to apply for the visa
Yeah,
as
try
soon
to
as possible.
as soon as
Do not
possible.
wait till the end. For example, many students they will apply in the month of October, in the month of November. It's too late, and if you're doing late, there will be problem for you, because at the end there are many visa rejections and all. So if you apply early, because even I did the same mistake, because even I applied in the month of October. So we will think, see, okay, we will see. So please do not do this.
Yeah,
Please-
I totally agree
yes,
with that thing.
Apply as soon as possible. For example, in case if your visa is getting rejected for the first time, then you have the chance. Otherwise, if you are applying in the month of October or and the end of September, then in case if your visa is getting rejected, then you don't have the chance to apply for the second time or the third time.
Like if you are
Yes,
also apply for the DOV, then it is
Yes.
like one of my friend is got the visa, but still he didn't get the DOV also. And like the problem is he cannot do his admission process without DOV.
Yes.
So he is still in India, and his course is almost done in December.
Okay.
So if the DOV is arrived, then and then like when वो जैसे ही यहाँ आएगा उसको एग्जाम देनी
Exam
पड़ेगी.
देनी पड़ेगी.
So it is
So
quite hard.
आपने का मतलब कैसा का DOB and visa एक ही टाइम किया था?
No,
और
like
फिर-
I present a SEMIA certi, the other one, the
Okay.
paid service, which is
Okay.
so like it is helpful for me. Like
Hmm.
though it's cost more than a DOV, because
Hmm.
DOV is I think around 2,000 maybe,
Okay.
2,000 INR, and I have to pay for the SEMIA certi is the 27,000
27 for same year.
for
So,
the same like.
DOB is like
DOV is like a ये सरकारी लोग देते हैं, और SEMIA एक प्राइवेट फर्म है.
okay, instead of DOB you can go for
Yeah,
SEM.
instead of
Oh.
DOV you can go for SEMIA, but the SEMIA process is little bit fast,
Okay.
so it is good.
Okay.
Listen.
Yes. So this is the things, and thank you so much, Tezu,
Oh,
for
thank you.
sharing your experience on the visa, which is very important, and I think it will be helpful for many students. And one thing at the last, if you are okay, you can share your cover letter
Yeah,
by
I will-
hiding your details.
Okay,
I can
no problem.
keep in my description, so
I
that
will share with you. You just put in
yes,
your
it
link.
will be like helpful and
Yeah,
to
sure,
everyone. So
No, like it's like my cover letter is not that much perfect. I just
whatever it is,
mention all the details.
just
and
help
like,
students.
No
because,
problem. No problem.
Our concept is just
To share.
share,
Okay.
and so that it may be helpful as a reference.
Yeah.
So the first one and the second one which you did modification.
Yeah, sure.
So that everyone. So that's the thing which I want to share in this video. So thank you so much, and see you friends in next video. And again I am going to make another video with him, like his experience and about his course, how he feel, and different. So friends, see you in next video.
See you guys.
See
Ciao,
you.
ciao.
Ciao. Bye.
Bye.